Hi, so I've just had my Leicester appointment and I have a choice between getting lymphoma again or risking having the treatment with an infection. So, between a shit decision and a shit decision, or a shit option and a shit option, which makes it a shit decision, I don't really know what to do. He told me that if I don't have it, there's a high chance I'm going to get lymphoma back. And obviously, if I do have it, they still don't know what this infection is, and they still don't know how it's going to react once they completely wipe my immune system. But he's assured me that they've done every test that they could possibly think of, that it's not something bad, but still don't know what it is. So that's what concerns me. So my next appointment's on the 4th of June, and I have to make a decision of what to do. I am going to get a second opinion with a specialist lymphoma person, and I'm also going to speak to somebody in the respiratory department to see if they can shed any more light on what this thing is. He also filled me in a little bit more of what the stem cell treatment is. So I'm going to have obviously some injections to make my white blood cells. I can't remember how he described it, to be perfectly honest. Basically generate more white blood cells. Filter me, taking my stem cells, because my veins are pretty much shot by the chemo. I'm going to have a line put in here under local, which they're going to do the harvest from, put the chemo in and put the stem cells back in. Basically, he said that if there's any rogue lymphoma cells floating around my body, then I'm gonna get lymphoma again. So I'd be very, very, very lucky if I didn't get lymphoma again, if I didn't have my stem cell. And let's be honest, I haven't particularly been a very lucky person. So I've got that in the back of my mind. I've got what this infection is going to do once I've got no immunity in the back of my mind. But also, if I don't have it, if I get lymphoma back in the back of my mind, because then what happens? Because then my lymphoma becomes harder to treat. So yeah, there's a lot of going on, because I don't really know what to do, and I have 2 weeks to decide. So I need to do a lot of fun stuff in these next 2 weeks, just in case, I guess. That's a daunting thought. But yeah, my whole treatment is going to be done in Leicester anyway. I've told them my concerns. They have said that, the risks that I've taken already, which I have. First lot of chemo was risks. The R-CHOP, if it doesn't go into your vein, can severely deform you, and you'll need surgery to recorrect the deformity. The IVAC, you can get sepsis. And then obviously this one, where I could be open to a whole host of different things. And I'll be in for a month. They'll give me the injections, then harvest me, then go straight on to chemo, which will be on a Tuesday. It won't finish until the Thursday. And then they'll put the stem cells back in. and then I'll feel alright for a couple of days, and then I'll feel really, really shit for a couple of days as my neutrophils and everything plummet, and I'll feel tired, and a whole host of different side effects, which I shan't mention. And then apparently I'll start to feel okay again. And then they'll take the line out of me and send me home. That's the ideal situation, apparently. So yeah. That's it. Bye.